Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome back to another brand new video. Burnout develops over time according to research, but it can be challenging to recognize the signs in oneself. In this video, we are looking at 6 of the most common emotions that are closely related to burnout, along with suggestions for coping mechanisms to help you identify your own feelings. Number 1, you feel overwhelmed by day-to-day activities. To-do list can be demanding, and feeling stressed by the day ahead of you is completely normal. You might be stressed out as a result of taking too many tasks at once, among other things. In theory, multitasking might seem productive, but study indicates that it can actually reduce our productivity due to the switching costs we incur when switching between tasks. An indication that you might be experiencing burnout is adding too much to your plate and the stress that comes with handling many things at once. There is such a thing as healthy stress, but chronic stress is a major contributor to burnout. Recognizing when you haven't had time to take a break is essential to preventing burnout. How to fix this? Consider focusing on one task at a moment. Sandwich those task duties between easier ones. It's okay to take a break if necessary. Various to-do list shortcut can also relieve some stress. Number 2, you are starting to feel disconnected from others and bit of them. Burnout is evident if you notice a persistent feeling of anxiety developing when it comes to people you care about and hobbies you usually enjoyed. Every person will experience this differently. Even on Zoom, it might appear to me as avoiding close friends, family members, or particular social settings. If I spend too much time on social media and falls into a comparison trap, I might also become bitter. How to fix this? The fact that so many people experience burnout makes it easy to feel alone, which may lead to you attempting to isolate yourself even more. Try to connect with at least one individual who you can safely discuss your symptoms with. Despite feeling exhausted, that may have an impact on how you engage with the people in your life. Number 3, you find yourself getting easily irritated with the people. Have you ever had those days where the slightest event would set you off? Dealing with an angry reaction is never enjoyable, particularly if it isn't your usual attitude. Although frustrations with those around you is natural emotion, burnout can cause you to experience it more frequently than usual. How to fix this? Recognizing this emotion is the first step in overcoming it. After you've allowed yourself to feel everything, attempt identifying the biggest picture of what upsets you. Is it an outside factor, such as remarks made, or could it be an interior factor, such as some negative self-talk? Engage in gratitude practices to remind yourself of the little things that make you happy to raise your moods. Number 4, you feel extremely tired all the time. Making sure you are receiving enough sleep can really help you reduce stress, as research demonstrates that lack of sleep is a major contributor to burnout. But we understand that it's difficult to fall asleep when your mind is racing or you're experiencing anxiety. How to fix this? Making a healthy place for your relaxation is one thing that you can do before you go to sleep. That might entail refraining from work in bed and designating your room as a sleep-only space with comfortable covers and calming essential oil. Developing rituals before bed can also aid in your brain ability to recognize when it is time to sleep. Consider listening to Shine Nightcap story to help you fall asleep, and try doing some quick stretch to relax your body and mind before you sleep. Number 5, you feel like you are losing joy and motivation. No longer certain of your why or purpose, that has a tendency to leave you, which in turn take away any motivation you may have. How to fix this? To overcome this, start attempting things without any expectation of success or failure. Work on developing your mindfulness skills before returning to the activities that you used to bring you joy. Even something as simple as wearing your preferred socks or having your preferred breakfast counts. However, deliberately enjoying little rewards can raise your joy frequently and eventually help you feel more motivated. Number 6, you experience physical symptoms. There are some signs of burnout that you might not be aware of, such as nausea, headache, or lack of appetite. These can be mistaken for typically bodily sicknesses, but all of them can be treated with a solution provided above, especially sleep. How to fix this? When it comes to allowing your body to recover from effects of burnout, take time to give yourself mental health break and room to recharge can be extremely beneficial. And if you can seek the advice of a profession, such as a medical profession or therapist, to receive additional assistance in dealing with burnout symptoms. This marks the end of our video. Kindly like, share, and leave a comment in the comment section. And kindly please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching my video and being of great support to my channel.